Damn, y'all, Main Street is flooded right there. Check that shit out. Oh man, it goes all the way across down Hale Street over there. Look at this car go through there. Oh man, it was flooded down here. All that side of Hale Street is just water. There's no fucking sidewalk. That's the shit, yo. Look at that. That whole dude's front yard right there is flooded. Oh man, dude, that's so much water. Getting rained on though, I gotta go back in. Yeah! Graham just plowed through that shit. Oh man. Yeah, it just keeps, there's just more and more water coming over here. Kinda slowing down. Damn!